what I got from Ross today. Let me show you. I got a haul for you guys, all for me today. Normally none of them are mine because I always buy stuff for my kids, but I don't buy nothing for me. But guess what? This haul mean a lot to me. Self-care, me. Let's go ahead. First item, this sweater. You see how it got a bows? Oh, I like it. I like the bows on the sleeve. Okay, $17.99. Here's my second buy. White sweater, $12.99. Also, I got this sweater. I love the pattern, guys. I love it. I love the color. And is $14.99. I also got these shoes. I love them. Look at them. Look at them. It's cold time. We need these kind of shoes. $27.99. Okay, got this flavor soda for me. I love it. Also got watermelon flavor. Can't wait to test it. I love pop, guys. I do. I also got these at the checkout. Of course, we always have to get something from the checkout. So I also got these pants, wide-legged pants, professional attire. I like it. I also got these two shapewear, one black, one beige. That's what it looked like. I ran out deodorant, so I got these two. I think it was a good haul, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know.